Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the color to your palette on the YesWriter application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar and click to the My option at the lower right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the second button, the color palette, and you can find your color palette. But if you want to add some color for that, click to the next plus icon and you can select different shadow of the color, and if you select, just click to the select button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.